question which we have is, column angle is seen in which malocclusion? Before you can attempt this question, you should know what is column angle. So column angle is basically the angle between crown and root of a particular tooth. How come? Let us see. What we do, we draw a straight line along the long axis of the crown and the long axis of the root. So suppose this is a straight line along the long axis of the crown and this is a straight line along the long axis of the root. If we get an angulation between them, that angle becomes my column angle. And column angle is only seen in my class 2 division malocclusion. Why? Because in class 2 division 2 malocclusion, my upper central incisors are tipped lingually or palatally. Okay, entire tooth is not moving bodily, only the crown portion is tipped lingually. So if this is my root portion and this is my crown, okay, it is not that the entire tooth is moving lingually. My root position is this, just the crowns have tipped lingually. So as a result, the long axis of the root does not coincide with the long axis of the crown, and this leads to the formation of a particular angle which is known as the column angle. So yes, in this figure you can appreciate that when we draw a straight line passing through the long axis of crown and root, if we get an angle in between, that is known as column angle, and it is seen in cases of class 2 division 2 malocclusions. Okay? Right. Next question. Very important. The pitch of hyrax expansion is pitch of hyrax expansion. So this is your hyrax expansion screw. This is basically a jack screw, and this is hyrax appliance. Hyrax appliance are used for rapid palatal expansion. They can either be banded or they can be bonded. Okay, so this was about hyrax. Now what is pitch of the appliance? Pitch of the appliance is basically the amount of distance it can move the plate away. See, in this kind of jack screw, there is a hole which is present in between. We take the key, put it into the hole and rotate it this way. Okay? As a result, my appliance opens up. When my appliance opens, what happens? It will exert force onto the maxillary area. Okay? And my sutures, anterior sutures gets opened up, resulting in expansion of maxilla. Okay, so what happens? The pitch is the amount of distance it can open when you're rotating it by one turn, and the answer is 1 millimeter. So when you insert the key, take one turn, the amount of distance it will open up or it will expand is the pitch, and that is equal to 1 millimeter. Okay, so there is this important topic in orthodontics, that is expansion. Expansion can be slow or it can be rapid. Hyrax expansion is used in rapid expansion. Okay, so it is used to bring about skeletal changes.